Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today we are in the 2008 Corvette C6.
Corvette C6 is now a modern classic requiring a proactive maintenance approach. This guide is designed to help you navigate the unique needs of a high-mileage C6, ensuring you keep your ride in top condition for years to come. First things first, initial checks and actions. As soon as you get your C6, there are some immediate steps you should take. Battery. C6. Corvettes are known for battery drain issues, especially if they are not daily drivers. A battery tender is a must-have to prevent being stranded with a dead battery. Consider upgrading to an AGM deep cycle battery. Fluid flush. Do not trust the seller's word about recent maintenance. Flush all the old fluids, including engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, clutch fluid, and differential fluid, and replace them with the correct types. This will also help you identify any potential problems. Magnetic drain. Plug. When changing the engine oil, use a magnetic drain plug and a quality oil filter to catch any unwanted debris. Essential maintenance areas. Tires. Check tire pressure regularly, especially during hot weather, and maintain around 35 psi. Ensure your tires have adequate tread depth, at least a quarter inch, to avoid hydroplaning. Brakes. Be aware that the original brakes may not be sufficient for high speed or track use. Consider upgrading to high-performance brake pads, e.g. Hawk HP Plus, and high-temperature brake fluid to prevent brake fade. Power steering. If you have a base model C6 without the Z51 package, the power steering fluid can overheat during track or spirited driving. Use high-temperature power steering fluid. Cooling system. The C6 radiator is prone to sucking in debris, so clean it regularly to ensure proper cooling. Check coolant level and test the coolant's condition using test strips. Be sure the center air dam is in place and in good working condition. Remove any debris from the AC condenser and the radiator. Consider upgrading to an aluminum radiator, as Corvettes tend to run hot. Harmonic balancer. This is a known weak point on the C6. Check for any wobble or squeaking noises, and replace it with a quality aftermarket unit, e.g. ATI Summit or Powerbond if needed. Transmission fluid. Check your transmission fluid level. It is a difficult process and is often neglected. Low fluid levels can cause damage, especially in the automatic transmissions of 2005 to 2007 models. Convertible top. If you have a convertible, always latch the top to avoid damage. Also, do not leave the convertible top handle open when putting the top down to avoid breaking it. Windows. Be careful when changing the battery. If the windows are not in the up position, you will have to re-index the windows. Engine oil. Always use the correct viscosity and type of oil for your engine. Address common C6 issues. Be aware of these common issues. Fuel tank sending unit. A cracked fuel tank sending unit can cause fuel leaks. This is more common on C6s made after late 2007 and will require the tank to be removed to fix it. Torque tube. High mileage. C6s can experience wear in the torque tube bearings and rubber couplers. This will require a complete rear-end teardown to fix. Interior electronics. Test all buttons and switches to ensure proper function. Look for any warning messages when starting the car. LS7 valve guides, Z06 and 427. The exhaust valve guides in the LS7 engine found in Z06 and 427 models can fail. It is recommended to have this issue addressed before it causes catastrophic engine damage. Stuck shifter. The shift lever may get stuck, usually in park. The most likely cause is a worn-out shift lock solenoid. Must-have Corvette C6 upgrades. Consider these upgrades to improve your C6's performance and experience. Shifter. Upgrade to an aftermarket shifter for a more precise and faster shift. The MGW shifter is a popular option. Suspension. Upgrade to coilovers for improved handling and adjustability. LG Motorsports coilovers are recommended. Consider aftermarket sway bars for better handling. Stereo system. While your C6's stock stereo may feel dated, resist the urge for a full replacement. Aftermarket units can actually harm your Corvette's value and be a pain to install. Instead, consider the Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter. It seamlessly adds Bluetooth calling and music streaming to your existing system, keeping your classic Corvette original and preserving its resale value. Seats and harness. For track or autocross use, consider upgrading to aftermarket seats and harnesses for better support. Ground effects. Kit. The front lip, side skirts, and a rear spoiler will make the car look more modern. Exhaust. Upgrading to a Corsa or NPP OEM exhaust system will improve the sound of the car. Owning a classic Corvette is a rewarding experience. With diligent care, your C6 will provide years of enjoyment and potentially appreciate in value over time. Enjoy the ride.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can connect your new iPhone, and you do not need to replace the head unit. You can keep it exactly the way you can keep everything stock, but you'll be able to integrate your new iPhone with the system. So with my device, number one, you'll be able to stream music from your phone through your car stereo without Bluetooth. Number two, you'll get to talk hands-free. And number three, you get to GPS integration. You'll be able to hear all your GPS instructions through your car speakers loud and clear by using my device. So you get this device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.